Hello. Right, this is a Game Boy Pocket that I've picked up from eBay. It's been sold as faulty. Show you the description. The description is vintage Game Boy Pocket clear with battery cover, powers up but screen is very dark, spares a repair, good condition. So let's open it up and see what's inside and see if it's an easy fix. Oh. Looks nice. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Fucking, oh. I need some smaller batteries, AAA's. AAA's. Good old Amazon Basics. Can't go wrong with Amazon Basics. Power's on. I can see a Nintendo logo. Really? Has the seller not noticed or did not know there was a contrast wheel on the side? Turn that off. And we'll pop a game in. Now I paid £24 for this. So have I just gotten... I've just gotten a bargain. £24. Is it? Yes. Start. Left, right. Up and down. Sound obviously works because you can hear it. Rotate. So, well, that's quite a boring video. I've only been recording for about 3 minutes. I'm sure you don't want us to sit and play Tetris. What have we learned? There are bargains to be had on eBay. Because some sellers don't know what they've actually got. The screen has a few signs of, people call them scratches, but I like to call them signs of use. But that's quite good. Overall, tested and working. No damage. I don't know if the case is original. It looks original. Don't know what that is on the edge of there. Perhaps a bit of paint. Is it worth cleaning up? I don't think it's worth taking it apart. Cleaning it up when it's working perfectly. What was that? Is just that contrast wheel. Screen's lovely. Well, what can I say? working fine. This game's a bit temperamental. Super Marioland 2. Working fine on this as well. Well, that's it for the video. Well, we're 5 minutes, 6 minutes. A bargain to be had on eBay, because some people, well, it's nice actually, because some people sell you a load of junk saying that it's working with a slight fault, and you get it and it's totally corroded, like the Game Boy that I got not too long ago. So it's nice to have a win. I'm not learning anything by fixing it, so it's a bit of a bittersweet win, but a win's a win. So thanks for watching, and next video I think I'll be opening up a Sega Mega Drive 2 when I can get everything set up for that. So there you go. Thank you and goodbye.